Assalamu alaikum, my children. I hope you all are doing well at your places. In this video, you will learn how to read and write 6 and 7 digit number as you can see on the screen. So let's start with today's session. Make sure you will concentrate on the new vocabulary to make it more easy. Students, you have already learned how to read and write a 5-digit number. So before moving towards 6 and 7 digit number, we have a quick review of a 5-digit number. Pick up any 5-digit number. For example, I am taking 35,782. Now, place it in your place value grid as I am doing it over here. Remember, the first column over here, which is in black color, represents your periods. Here in the first period, you have 3 places, which is represented in purple color. Number 1 is ones column, then we have tens, and then the third one is hundreds. This period is known as ones period. After the ones, we have thousands period, and in this period you have two members, thousands and 10,000. So it is like this: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. Over here, each period is separated from each other by putting a small comma in between. I have written a number over here, 35,782, but it can be represented in 3 different ways. Number 1, you can see is on the screen, standard form. The next one is word form. That means the number name of this number. The next one is expanded form, in which you are going to expand your number by putting the zeros, which is represented with the columns. But over here, the two most important thing which I want to clear is the underlines one. Number 1 is the place, and the next one is value. If I ask you that what is the place of 7 in this 5-digit number, you have to focus on your place value grid. Like over here, 7 is standing on the hundreds place. But if I ask you what is the value of this 7, that means the worth of 7 in this 5-digit number, which is represented again with the column. Over here, 7 is on the 100 plate, so its worth is 700. These two terms are connected with each other, but have a different meanings. The value of 7 is 700, but the place is 100, which is given over here in the place value grid. Let's move towards the next slides. If I ask you what is the largest 5-digit number, you all should know that is 99,999. What is going to be happen if I add 1 in this? We will get a new member which is written in red over here. Over here, this 0 is standing on ones placement. The next one is tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. But what about this new member? What will be the name of this new member over here? Here, the new member 1 has a new name, which will be either lakh or 100,000. Now there will be two possibilities. In a 6-digit number, when we move towards a 6-digit number, we have two systems over here. Number 1 is Pakistani system, and another one is international system. First, we are going to consider a Pakistani place value chart. In a Pakistani place value chart, the number 1 period is same as we have in the 5th-digit number. That means the first member is unit, or you can say ones, then we have tens, 100. The next one is thousand, in which there are two members over there, 1,000 and 10,000. But As move towards the 6-digit number in Pakistani system, we have a new period over here which is known as lakh. And the 6-digit number 9 stands under the lakhs placement. And the other one is 10 lakh. That means the 7-digit number. How you will read this number, because the standard form is written in front of you. Again, I have put the commas to separate, to make them separate, to separate the two periods. Now, how you will read this number? 1 and 9 are going to be read together like 19, and then you are going to call its period name because they both are in the lakhs period, so it will be 19 lakhs. And then rest of the number will be read as same as 5-digit number. So it will be 19 lakhs 48,589. Moving towards the next system that we are calling international system, or in the international place value chart, we have again the ones column same as it is, but there is a little bit change in the thousands column because we are following the international place value chart. So over here, the 6-digit, which I have 8 over here, stands under the 100,000 placement because we are following the international place value chart. And the 7-digit has a new name, which will be million. Capital M stands for million. The 6-digit is a 100,000 placement, and the 7-digit stands on the millions placement. Again, the standard form is written in front of you, having 2 commas. Make sure that international place value chart, after the first digit, we have 1 comma, then we have 3 digits, and again, after the comma, we have 3 digits. Now, how you will read this number? It will be read as 5,872,684. If I ask you what will be the number in the millions place, so 5 is in the millions place. But if I ask you what will be the value, the worth of this 7-digit, that means the 5, the value of 5 is 5 million, having 6 zeros with it. Now, I hope you all understand. There is a small quiz over here, and I hope you will do it by your own self. After this, you have a small assessment. Best of luck.